The women's 100 meters has always been an event that brings forward a plethora of rivalries over the last 3 decades. From seeing Merlene Ottey battle the American duo of Gail Devers and Gwen Torrence between the late 1980s and mid-1990s, along with Irina Privalova in that same era, to see the likes of Jamaica's Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Karen Stewart, and Sharon Simpson, also Chandra Stirrup and Debbie Ferguson McKenzie of the Bahamas meet with the Americans Lauren Williams, Tori Edwards, Carmelita Jetta, LaShante Moore, and Allyson Felix on a weekly basis. It can be said that track and field is a sport that is built on the rivalry of athletes. In recent times, Caribbean athletes have become their own rivals as Puerto Rico's Jasmine Camacho Quinn continues to meet the Jamaican duo of Megan Tapper and Brittany Anderson on the Diamond League circuit over the 100 meters hurdles. Devin Charlton of the Bahamas is always in the mix at those weekly meetings. One would think that the rivalry among track and field athletes from the Caribbean region is only among senior athletes, but this is not the case. Since Adaejah Hodge of the British Virgin Islands won triple gold across the 100 meters, 200 meters, and long jump at the 2022 Carifta Games in Kingston, Jamaica, fans have been wanting to see her match up against the Jamaicans over either the 100 meters or 200 meters. But which athlete would she compete against? Would it have been the Clayton twins, Tia and Tina, Brianna Liston, Karika Hill, Serena Cole, or Alana Reid? The 2023 season started off excellent for Adaejah Hodge as she completed a historic 60 meters and 200 meters double at the New Balance Indoor National Championships to be crowned the winner of both events. Her 200 meters was the most impressive at the meet as she ran a World Under-18 record of 22.33 seconds, which makes her the joint 7th fastest woman of all time in the event with 1992 Barcelona 200 meters Olympic champion Gwen Torrence of the United States. Jamaica's Alana Reid also made strides for herself by running a Jamaica national under-20 record of 10.92 seconds to win the 100 meters at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships in late March. This 100-meter performance by Alana Reid makes her the 11th fastest Jamaican woman in the event. After this performance, Alana Reid was able to return and win the 200 meters to end her individual champs career. The Carifta Games first presented the opportunity for both Alana Reid and Adaejah Hodge to meet for the first time. However, Hodge got injured during her warm-up for the 100 meters and had to pull out of the competition. Alana Reid eventually won the 100 meters with a time of 11.17 seconds. Another opportunity presented itself for both athletes to meet, and neither of the two athletes were backing down. The Puma East Coast International Showcase is a meet that is organized by Jamaican Olympians Juliet Campbell and Sanjay Iyer. The meet enables Jamaican junior athletes to meet American-based junior athletes. The girls' 100 meters was the most anticipated event because it featured Jamaica's Alana Reid and Adaejah Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Alana Reid was able to win her heat with an easy 11.42 seconds, while Adaejah Hodge ran an impressive 11.34 seconds to win her heat. Adaejah Hodge occupied line 4 and Alana Reid in lane 5. The gun went off and Alana Reid was off to a bullet start as Adaejah Hodge tried to chase her. Reid held off Hodge to cross the line in 11.01 seconds, while Hodge placed second in 11.16 seconds. Both athletes looked quite pleased with their efforts in the 100 meters as they walked off the track. This was indeed a fantastic race for both our Caribbean athletes, and the sport should provide more opportunities for athletes to meet in a rivalry-like fashion. Which Caribbean athletes are you excited to see compete against each other? Let us know in the comment section below. Stay tuned to J-irie Caribbean Sports as we bring you all the action from the 2023 track and field season. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as we celebrate the achievements of all our Caribbean athletes together. This is J-irie Caribbean Sports. Check out this video.